Man, I'm excited about this one. It's a 69 GTO 4-speed 400 ground up restored, documented. I just bought this car and a 67 Firebird 400 from a Pontiac collector. He restored both cars, super meticulous. It's a fantastic piece. Hey, I'm Jay Grams here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com and that's where you'll find this and the Firebird with all the pricing, specs, pictures top to bottom. It is for sale along with a few hundred fabulous collector cars. That's volocars.com. We have shipping, financing, and plenty of ways to contact us. I have a whole staff of people working here that can help you get your dream car. So reach out to us, let us know what your concerns or questions are, and we'll get the ball rolling. Let's take this one for a spin. Look how that gorgeous silver paint is going the wrong direction. Look at this gorgeous silver paint. That's the original color, palladium silver. They got a clear coat on there and it just looks wet. It's beautiful. Look at how the windows fit. Look at all the body gaps. Really nice. The car is slick and straight right down along the bottoms. It's super smooth, no issues. Again, beautiful trim and glass, and window seals are new. The door jambs are just as slick as the outside. Rally 2 wheels all restored with the right lug nuts and center caps. New tail lights, emblems. The chrome is beautiful. Trunk is painted just fantastic, and this ain't the stuff from the can. This is done with a spray gun. You do have a little bottle of touch-up paint for the car. Got the owner's manuals, new rubber, the housings, the wiring, the latches, everything's detailed. This guy was pretty fussy. That rear window looks so clear, I'm going to say it looks new. The seat backs, the chrome trim, the door panels, window cranks, everything. The dash pad is mint. The vents are shiny chrome. The inside of this car is fantastic. The cushions in the seats are new. They feel like a new car. I'm looking at a perfect dash with a tachometer, original radio. Does have 3 gauges mounted down below the dash. Up front, the rubber bumper is fantastic. The grills are redone. Motor compartment's completely detailed. It's beautiful under the hood. It's got the cadmium plated booster. It's got power steering, the right air cleaner, and brackets, and everything's proper. Fan shroud, firewall's clean. So super nice under there. Interior lights work. It also comes with the Pontiac historical documentation. And I was just thumbing through here. This is a California car. It's got a whole bunch of California registrations in that going back into the 70s. Underneath this car is all restored. You can look at the pictures on our website. It's got a 342 posi in the back. It's got disc brakes in front. That interior lights work, the high beam light works, the parking brake light works, tachometer's working, the AM radio works. It's funny, I turned on the radio and I knew it was going to work. I just know the impression I got from this guy is super fussy. So AM radios typically don't work. I just knew it would in this car, and of course it works. It's tinted glass. So there you have it. This is an outstanding GTO 4-speed. Beautiful sounding idle. They did completely rebuild the motor. They put a little bit different cam in there. You do have to put it in reverse to get the key out. That's the way they were. Visit volocars.com before someone beats you to it. I love these little marker lights. And subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be the first to see these videos. Thanks, and stay tuned.